This is not going to be a polished video, but guess what came in the mail today? That's a 1/18th scale Aptera model, one of only 1,000. We'll find out which one it is, but we have to go to Mom's for dinner, so we're going to unbox it there. So let's go. You can come with us.
Hey, Sarah, something came in the mail for Chad today. Do you want to open it for him?
Sure.
Oh!
What is this?
It's a really sharp box, which we appreciate. Packaging really says something about what a company thinks of their own product, in our opinion. And as you can see, this is just gorgeous. I really love the back. He's like the red accent there is so cool. It says Aptera Launch Edition, 1/18th scale, the tail lights. And then, of course, sides, front. Even on the bottom of the box, they took care with what they chose to print. So it's just really, really sharp so far. And we'll see the rest of it. And we'll, of course, reveal our number as we see it is the time that you'll see it. So there you go. And I think she flips up the bottom. We can see the bottom here. See the bottom? There it is. So every part of this box has high detail, really cool. This is such a neat collector's item. There's my mom, there's my kid brother, there's Sarah, there's my older brother Frank, and I think the dog Oakley. That's the dog Oakley. So now we'll go through the rest of the thing to get this out. Let's check it out.
If you haven't subscribed yet, why not?
Pretty cool moment here when Sarah gets it open and removes her hands. And watch how cool when we bring the camera in it looks just in the box. Isn't that awesome? I mean, it's just really awesome. But yes, we're nerding out because we're super fans. We get that. But aside from just being super fans, this is a very cool, very, very cool thing to have. We're so grateful. We couldn't afford to buy it, actually. What we did is made a live video as soon as we knew it was available for sale so that any of our members that could afford to buy it would go out there and get it. For themselves. And then one of our members did just that and had it mailed to our house. That member is my mom. Oh, here's the number reveal, by the way. Ready for this? There's the floor, I guess. I was trying to keep it secret. Our number is, drum roll, we are number 681 of 1,000. 681 of 1,000. We'd love to know which of the investors, the accelerators, is number 681 because we should be friends. All right, let's get it out of this hard package. Now, this takes a little while. And here it is. Isn't that beautiful? I mean, just look how cool the detail is on the solar, the tail light, the Aptera signs on the door, the dash solar, the roof solar, the light bar across the front, which is the current iteration with the part right in the middle to meet the regulations, the wheel pants. Everything about this model is just so detailed and incredible, down to the mirrors that we don't even, we don't want the mirrors. We don't think we should have to have them, but it's the law. Does knock knock work? No, knock knock doesn't work. We will get the doors open and then we'll take a look on the inside. We'll get the back open. It took a little while to figure this out. If there's some instructions, we didn't see them. So that's on us, I suppose. But I'm thinking there was no instructions. So this is me trying. You can see my ratty old hoodie. And then the much more delicate Sarah will reach in and just make things happen because she's like that. So when these doors open, you'll see the interior and the detail. And you've seen this on Aptera's videos too. But it's really stunning in person just to see. I mean, it's incredible. The little red thing at the bottom, the release for the door, I think that is. You see the cup holders, the steering wheel, the two screens. I'll put a picture up here in a minute so you can see the pedals. The pedals are in there. It's just everything. It just looks like an interior of an Aptera. You could use it in a movie set, it seems like, if you're doing stop film animation or something. It's just really, really, really sharp. So we'll get the trunk open here. The trunk. That's what we call it, right? The trunk, lid, there it is. Isn't that cool? And the camera will kind of eventually it'll level out. You think that cool? And look how realistic that looks. It's amazing to us, you know. What are you gonna do? I mean, this is just the coolest thing to have, and there's only 1,000 of them ever made. So that was a little joke with the scissors. Should we see if it fits in there like oars? But we're not gonna risk scratching it. And that is it. That is the Aptera 1/18th scale die-cast model. 1 of 1,000. We got 681 is our number. It is every bit as cool as you would imagine it would be. Please let us know in the comments what you think. If you like it, if you don't like it, if you really, really like it, whatever. But there it is. And if you are number 681 on the accelerator list, we should at least know each other. Wouldn't that be cool? I could send you a picture of this. You can send us a picture of your Aptera, and we can put them next to each other on the wall or something. That'd be cool. Or maybe we can meet up for a cup of coffee, and we could put the little 681 in the trunk of the big 681, because that'd be funny as well. Just beautiful. Isn't that cool? Whoever thought you could be so excited about a die-cast toy when you're my age, which is, you know, not young anymore. But thank you for watching Drive the Lightning. You guys are all amazing. Stay tuned for these pictures. At the end, I'm going to put up a couple of pictures, probably just put some music behind it so you can see what the interior looks like from a much better camera shot. So here you can see the pedals, a close-up of the pedals, the yoke, and then here you've got the cup holders, the seats. Just look amazing, by the way. Close-up of the pedals, because it is my favorite part. It's so cool. Thank you to the members of the channel that keep the wheels churning on the Positively Charged EV channel. And thank you for the Mug Club members that bought mugs so Sarah and I can get back to California. Here's another video about your beloved Aptera. Maybe check it out. Have a great day. Thanks for being here. Seriously, you're great.